There are two tables below, and each one represents an exponential function of the form y equals ab to the x. Copy and complete each table on your own paper and write the corresponding equation. So if I look at this first one, right, in order to figure out what the multiplier is, I'm going to take a value, right? Uh, I'll take the 3.96 and I'll divide that by the previous value divided by 1.2. So on my calculator, 3.96 divided by 1.2, I get that my multiplier here is apparently 3.3. Now I'm going to verify that on my calculator. I'm going to go 1.2, enter, and I'm going to go 3 or times 3.3 times times 3.3, and I do get, oops, let's see, times 3.3. So I do get, yep, and I do get yes. So I'm getting the correct value. So I got the 3.96 and the 13.068. If I hit it again, I get 43.1244, and then again it's going to give me 142.3131052. So this is great. I can see my zeroth term. Zeroth term is 1.2, and I can also see my multiplier is 3.3. So I'm ready to write the equation for A, right? And I'll write it up here. A, what does it say? Explicit. It says write the corresponding equation. So I'm just going to write it in y equal. Well, I've got x and y. Yeah, I'm going to say y is equal to my zero term, 1.2 times 3.3 raised to the x power. There we go. That's A. Let's do B. So on B, ooh, this is super cool. They skipped a term in the middle here. So I've got the number 5, and I have to multiply by something and then by something again, right? I'm going to say my multiplier is b because that's the variable I've been using for it. So 5 times b times another b is going to equal 180. So check this out. I like this. I'm not going to guess and check. I'm going to say, look, I've got the number 5, and I'm going to multiply it by b and by b again. That's b squared, and I get 180. Okay, okay. So I'm going to take my 180 and divide that by 5, and I get 36. Oh, that's cool. It's easier than it needed to be. So on the left-hand side, I'm going to write this is b squared, and on the right-hand side, it is 36. Well, if b squared is 36, I know what b is, right? B is the number 6. So my multiplier is 6. So I can fill in here, this is going to be the number 30. In fact, I'm going to just go on my calculator 5. I'm going to go times 6. There's the 30. There's the 180. Next up is going to be the 1080. And then next up after that is going to be the 6,480. Okay, and I do again see my zero term is 5, and I do again see that my multiplier, I know my multiplier is 6. So for B, the equation is going to be y is equal to, y is equal to my zero term 5 times 6 raised to the x power. There we go. Y equals 5 times 6 to the x. That's it for that.